there in your list also, right, Chairman?
Yeah, it is not there.
PALL. We only have PAHH.
Yeah, PAL, PHH we have, PLL we don't have.
Yeah.
PSH we have.
Okay. I think we don't have. We don't have.
We don't have.
We don't have. No. We have PSAL. I've seen. Yeah. PSAL. Where is it?
Yeah. No, that is another. Where is PSL? Where did you see?
Okay. Nothing there. It will be on the pump side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it pump?
There is none. There is none. So only only low pressure.
Yeah.
Deferred production.
Was out for low pressure. Right.
Yes.
And what is the response time manual?
PAL is again quick, right? Because it just opens the flare, so it will be just equalizing immediately to the flare head.
Yes. So this is again process.
Yeah.
This is A notable.
This is A because this is not an LOPC.
Yeah. This is A and low.
A and low.
We are saying not urgent, but we are saying urgent, huh?
It is immediate, yes.
Immediate with low, P2.
Immediate and low is P2.
This PAH. Where is this PAH? This triple only.
This is, I think this is same as that one.
This and the same, huh?
Yeah.
06. Let us see once. This is 06.
NID. So this is the 09, right? This is the 06. Actually, this is the 06.
Yeah. This.
The other one?
Other one is here, no? 05 is here. But different.
Yeah.
It is different. Because this is liquid side. This is gas side.
No. Both are in the gas side. What is happening here is